Today's video regarding Canon Pixma 4540 all-in-one printer. So I'm going to show you how to do quick unboxing and setup, and I will show you some test in the end, like copy test. So this is a wireless printer where you can use for the print, copy and scan and fax. Also it uses the black ink cartridge 245 and color 246. So let's start unpacking this. So now press the power button, and now we open the ink cartridges. Now install the ink cartridges and load the paper tray. So open the front door and this door as well. Now install the color cartridge on the color side. Just slide it in and it will lock itself. Same for the black. Close this chamber. Now we can load the paper, as the paper tray is available here, so you can place it here, and this is the paper output tray to hold the pages. So once we install the ink cartridges, we see the option like it says ready to connect. So we can connect wirelessly and with wire. Now if you want to use instantly, just like to copy, so just press the stop button and you will see some options on the screen here. Move forward until you see do not connect and press OK. It says connection will not be set. Yes, press OK. So it says please wait. Now you will see on the screen it says copy and other options you can do. So now I'm going to do a copy. So special copy plus OK. Now it says two-sided copy. Press OK. You will see on the screen it says two-sided is ready. So that is the test page 1 and this is test page 2. So once we insert it, then I'll press black copy, press once. So we can see it has started to take the page in. We can see it has started to take pages, both pages in and out, and it's printing as well, as we can see. So it's going to print it automatically on the both sides. Here we can see it has printed on the both sides of the page. Thanks for watching.